Hi, today the two last modules from the Wandel and Gulterman jitter analyzer. Actually this one seems better, so we will do this one last. And we start with this one. So the same kind of box than before. I do not show you again what we will have. Ta-da! Okay, interesting. In particular for this. So again we have a two-layer board. We will start again with this top one. Here a lot of relays by SDS Relay Company. We have here the two coax wires I had to cut during the teardown because I was not aware it was possible to disconnect them so easily from the inside. Here we are. One more of these little cable clamps. And so here mainly passive surface mount parts here, resistors, inductors, diodes, primers, a few transistors, big green were the caps here, and relays. And it is not written at all what this board does. So let's undo this. Okay, this is nice. Probably to add some delay in the track or match impedance, something like this. I made a very tiny value resistor. In particular, look how it loops here around the pin. And more of our SDS relays. Then at the bottom, 74 series clips everywhere. LM393, LM339. ULN 2003, more of its National Semiconductor clips we saw in the previous video, primers, capacitors, bank here, more relays. Looks like here we have some microprocessor thing happening. We have A1 EPROM, MC80C858 from OK. It seems very much like microprocessor reference, and this might actually be some RAM. Oh, this one actually is the RAM. Dash 85, it is the delay of the RAM. It is how I identify RAM chips. So yes, we have a little computer here going on, and one Gulterman branded chip from ST Microelectronics here, made in Malta. And we have this thing. So we have coax wires picking up from different areas, going in this, and actually it looks like it is not going anywhere else. It is just making a loop. Yes, the wires are making a loop in this because I do not see any other connection here. And you can see here, see also match length tracks here. So maybe we will have a lot of them over on the rear. So it must be too much to do some kind of delay line action. So I have a feeling we need to go underside of this. Maybe we will have a nice surprise. I am glad I did already undo most of the screws. Me, one here, one here. These corners here, brackets, were used to attach the module inside the cage, circuit frame of the instrument. And we have, as previously, the other one here, one at the side here, and more on this side. Okay, and all this to see nothing special. As you can see, it is a nice PCB, but there is nothing particular to see. So, I guess it is all for this one. So this was interesting. A lot of wire to save here, maybe. Seems to be pretty high quality wire. And now we will go to the last module. Here. So this one, it looks like we will have more nice chips under it sinks. And for some reason here the instructions for the quarter turn fasteners are engraved, while on the other ones it was a sticker. And again they give a chemical composition of the alloy here. Okay, here is what we have. As you can see, it is fun because previously we had a coder IC, and now we have a decoder IC. Another big quad associator, and it looks like here we have a device with its sink, but this one seems to be glued on the device. Not sure. As I did already damage one of the ceramic packages previously, I do not want to break it, but I will need to undo it anyways. So why they did not use the same system than here, no idea. Okay, it seems to be coming quite easily at least. Oops, it was coming quite easily. Okay, not too bad. Very nice, but I cannot tell what it is. Looks like it might be another of these ones. Yes, seems really similar, even for the corner here with the golden patterns on it. So it must be the same device. Put it in my box. Okay, it really does barely fit. So, Okay, for this we have, this one is branded KVG. It looks like we have a trimmer here behind the sticker. Here are other parts on this board, a lot of Wendell and Gatterman custom ICs, and I need to unscrew it. So there will be a lot of work after videos for me to finish cleaning the boards, removing all the hardware, all the screws and so on for recycling. Maybe also trying to remove the shielding completely. Because there is still a lot of little things to take apart. Even if I did already big progress. And get rid of the big metal parts. Well, at least they are in my garage waiting for a scrapyard. One here. Okay, so as previously, it will lift. Okay. Other side, nothing special. And bottom side, quite not crowded at all, except for this. Really, totally mysterious stuff. They are the same than here, it seems. Yes. Okay, we have our board, and now we are left with the best stuff here. First I will undo this decoder IC. Like this, it will go together beside the coder. Coder and decoder go together. I try to, at least in my box. Yes, really, it looks like this box was just designed for it. Quite amazing. So, we are left with 4 devices here, which with no doubt will be very interesting. Yes, really, I believe I will purchase another Wendell and Gatterman device from eBay. There is one available at 30 euros right now with 12 for shipping. I might actually order it today or tomorrow. And as it is a little bit smaller, maybe I will be able to keep this one. So, 3 of these ceramic ICs, a whole bunch of aluminum heatsink, okay, it looks like, yes, it is very similar to what we had before. So, first I clean them. There are screws everywhere. So this one seems is again quite difficult to undo because I cannot reach at the bottom very well. developers had a special tool to undo them. Because actually there was this tool inside the toolbox of the device, which I did not identify yet what it is for. But obviously it is not for this. Oops. Okay. One little bit here. And again a bent pin, even if you are very careful. These things are insanely delicate, so but at least you can use, most of the time you can correct them pretty well. And they are soft metal, so they do not break too easily. Okay, so it is one more of SH100CK, yes, same model than previously. I put it on top of the other one, and here, real quick, the three last devices. So it was a wonderful item to take apart, really. I would have loved more hybrid parts and things like this. I was expecting to find some hybrids, but oops, this is bad. Okay, no damage actually. So again, SH100CK. Okay, and the tubes then are remaining. Same deal. And okay, here we are. So it will conclude this teardown, guys. Now I am left with a whole pile of parts to finish sorting out and throwing or keeping. Here, for instance, I still have a lot of screws to undo. I did just notice here we have some status LEDs, which are written sync with 834 140 CRC sync and sync 2. Okay, and as previously, this little power filtering stage here. Yes, it is obviously on the main power bus because you have big tracks. Okay, and so I will have to figure out what I'll do with all of the hardware. It will be fun. So, thanks for watching and stay tuned, of course, for more teardowns. Bye bye.